Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I will show how to make a progress bar in Notion. For the moment, Notion has all the necessary features and settings to create a progress bar easily and seamlessly. And I will show you a very basic, simple case of creating a progress bar because this one can be useful for me as well. I will add a progress bar to my Scrum block content plan. So what we can do, we can add another column, another property, and choose number here. Yes, and actually this progress bar that we are creating will be showing the progress on my articles that I'm writing. So we rename it just simply progress, and then edit property, and here we can choose percent. You can actually keep it as a number, but it is more reasonable in this case to have it as a percent. And as you can see here, you can choose the way how you would like to show this property. It can be either simple number or bar or ring. So this bar is what I want actually to have here. You can choose also color. You can choose show or don't show the number. Let's keep it as it is. And let's put some. I will do this manually in this particular case. I just have it in my head how much approximately, or how many percent approximately I already completed. And as you can see, we have a nice progress bar here. Or for example, for this particular article, how to make a progress bar, let's put it 0 for now. You see, we have a pretty nice progress bar, and as I said, we can also choose a ring as a setting, and in this case, you will have this ring. And yes, as I said, this use case that I showed you is the most basic and the most simple one, but definitely you can create more sophisticated cases when you have a few columns with different numbers, like for example a sales plan, a sales fact or real sales amount, and then in this third column you can have a formula, basically not a number but a formula. When you divide the fact by the plan and get the percentage in this column as a result, and also set up this percentage of sales completed to be shown as a percent. So that's it. That's how we can create a progress bar in Notion. Let's keep it as a bar actually. And I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.